Hi, I'm Andrew Simpson with Ether Automation, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to pull in information from another service to populate a pick list in Zoho Creator, and then how to sort that pick list any way you want. So I'm going to start out by sharing my screen. There we go. All right, so as you can see here, this is a form we created in a previous video, right? However, we have this account field right now. Now, you can do this with any service, but in this case, we're going to do it with Zoho CRM. So what I want to do is I actually want to populate our accounts in here. And we have our accounts. We've got a bunch of accounts here, but your business may have a lot of accounts. So we actually want to sort those accounts alphabetically and then display them on this dropdown without adding a bunch of records to Zoho Creator. So how are we going to do that? Let's start out. Let's go to edit this application and go to workflow. So what you actually want to do is do a Deluge function on load of the fields to populate those that drop down list. So from the previous video, we have this hide some fields, which happens on load of the form. So let's go ahead and load that one up and go into the function. So again, we have this where we hide the deal ID and the deal name. So then after that, we actually want to add some additional information. So how are we going to do that? Let's start out by clearing what's currently on that list. So clear account, right? So now there's nothing in there. Then we want to create a collection, not a map, a collection to pull in the information. So let's call this collection the account name collection equals collection. Next line down, we actually want to do the step where we pull in the information. So account records equals zoho.crm.get records. And we're going to pull in accounts. Then we want to define a few other things. So we'll say we want to grab the first page, 200. And then we want to make a JSON object in here to tell Zoho CRM to sort by. And we're going to sort by account underscore name. So it's going to give us the account name. And then we're going to set the sort order. Sort order ascending. And a semicolon. So now we're getting all the records in from Zoho CRM, and they're automatically sorted. Then we want to loop through each one of those for each record in the account records. For each account record in account records. There we go. Then we want to get the account name equals account record dot get account name. So we're going to assign the account name to that account name variable. Finally, we're going to add that variable into the collection we made up here. So account collection or name collection dot insert, and we want to insert the account name. So now we have a collection of account names, and then finally we want to add it into that org or into that pick list field. And how we're going to do that? Go input dot account UI add, and then the collection account name collection. So what this is saying is we're going to input into that field, and what field are we going to input? We're going to input into the account field. And what are we doing? We're not actually putting in a value, we're putting in options. So UI and then add. So now I'm going to click update. There we go. And let's click done and go back to this application. Now, when I select this account, we have all of our accounts right here, automatically added into the system in alphabetical order. Now, in your case, you may want to filter out certain accounts, and you could do that inside the for each loop, or you can add additional logic to the call you're getting. But in any way, this is how you can do this very easily inside Zoho CRM. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.